Okay viewers, we're now outside Toronto Pearson International Airport in the pickup area. Ito po ngayon, this is how it look like. You can take the bus going to the subway station. You can take 900 Airport Express bus through TTC or Toronto Transit Commission bus over there. Or you can get someone to pick you up here. Loading only. Okay, loading. We are in the departure area of Terminal 3 and this is the Toronto Pearson Union Express train going to downtown. No traffic there, it's only train. See here, loading in, park and fly from the hotel. Here, the reality here. Electric car here. Starts with letter G. Polestar.
Okay, sleepers na Steven later.
And now back to reality of life. After 7 days of vacation, we're here. Let's see this electric car here. It's a green vehicle. There you go. Automatic. Opening the tail door, automatic, and there is no engine here, so you can put the luggage too in the front. There you go. It's a big size luggage. Another one there. There you go. Oh no, it's gonna break. Won't fit. The driver should come down and help you guys. It's a Uber pickup here. There you go. Let's see if we are gonna fit. No, doesn't fit. You're not gonna close. There you go. Let's see. Close it. Automatic. Oh, there you go. Doesn't close. Opening up. Heavy. Let's see where it's gonna putting it. Talking to the driver. Oh, it's leaving. Won't fit. It won't fit the luggage. Needs to leave. Wait for another Uber. This is the Terminal 3 Toronto Pearson International Airport. We're waiting for our pickup ride. The two lovers there. Nice. Okay. Thank you for watching, viewers. Kuya Romel Toronto. Bye for now.